Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my channel. Today we will design a booklet cover by using Microsoft Office. So let's start. First, you have to insert a shape. Go to option insert and select the rectangle shape. Draw the shape by moving the cursor. Now you have to add image on the shape. Click on the shape. You will see the option format above on the blue line. Fill the shape by scrolling down and click on the option insert image. Insert an image which you have downloaded on your PC before. As you can see, I am selecting image of a seaside. After inserting the image, you have to do further designing. Select the shape triangle and draw it by moving the cursor. Adjust it. Now you have to fill the shape with some color. First, fill the shape with white in color and then adjust its transparency. You can see I am doing it. After that, you have to press Ctrl D so that a layer will form of the triangle. You can see. Now you have to design similar triangle above on the image. Press Ctrl and click on grip option present above the white strip. You can see, and then press the Ctrl D and paste this image above after rotating it. Now you have to add a line shape. Go to option insert and select the option shape. Draw the line shape by moving the cursor. Adjust the line shape by rotating it with the help of the cursor. You can see I am doing it. Now fill this line shape with white color. Now for the borders, you have to take the shape as you have seen before, just like that, and place the border on its place and fill its color. For further designing, insert a triangle shape and rotate it by the cursor and place it on the border. Fill its color with white and then adjust its transparency just like you did before. You can see I am doing it. Now if you want to write any text, you have to first take a text box. Go to option insert and then click on the option shape and you can find a text box easily. Draw it and write anything which you have to. As you can see, I am writing 2023. Just like it, you can write anything of your choice. You can also change the size of the font and also the font styles. Now if you want to draw the further borders, you can draw it easily. You have learned before by selecting the shape option and draw the line shape and then color it Same step will be followed for below border. And finally, your booklet cover is ready. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, subscribe my channel and also press the like icon. Stay tuned for further videos related to MS Office. Allah Hafiz.